A metaphor is when you're comparing two unlike things without using like or as. So remember, a simile uses like or as, a metaphor does not. A metaphor says that one thing is another. Happiness is a marshmallow. The plural for is the word are. So it could say that butterflies are delicate flowers. So in this poem, Sweet Happiness, they are comparing happiness to marshmallows. So happiness is a marshmallow, sweet, fluffy, and light. Put them on a fire, smiling on every bite. So again, our metaphor is happiness is a marshmallow. And they're trying to say that happiness is sweet, it's fluffy and light, it's something that we enjoy, something that we like to have. This poem down here is titled Dripping Sadness. Sadness is a leaking faucet. So that is our metaphor right there. Money keeps dripping away. Learn to work on problems or shed tears. You will pay. So they're not talking about you will pay as in money. They're talking about have you ever heard someone say you're going to pay for that? That's the kind of pay that they're referring to. So when it says that sadness is a leaking faucet, it's meaning that it's always there unless you fix it. And then we have money keeps dripping away, learn to work on problems. So here the poet is telling us that we can't fix it with money. In our last line, or shed tears while you pay, that means that you can't use money to make you happy. Money can't buy you happiness. So here are two different metaphor poems that are comparing happiness to marshmallows and sadness to a leaking faucet. On this slide, you are going to help me finish my metaphor poem. So life is a blank. You never know what you're going to get. Life is a book. My favorite part is when. And then life is blank. We take it one step at a time. So you are going to fill in the blanks. After you're done, please remember to turn this assignment in. And then you're going to move on to your read aloud.